Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this flush mount ceiling light fixture for viewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box, okay? It comes really well protected. We have the instruction manual, and in here we have the pieces that we need to assemble it, okay? Which I think is nice. It comes with everything that you need to assemble it, so you don't have to worry about it, okay? This is the ceiling part, and this is the glass fixture, okay? I think it looks really beautiful. It has a bubbled glass design, which I think it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. The installation process is really simple, and the instructions are really clear, so you can follow them up easily and install it really quickly, which I think it's really nice. And something that I find quite nice is that you can use it with a dimmer switch, and you can dim the light, which I think is an excellent option. And it can be perfect for your living room, your dining room, where you want to place it on your kitchen island. I think it's gonna do an amazing work. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it looks really nice. As you can see, it was a really quick installation. It didn't take that much long, and it's really easy to install it, okay? Overall, I think it looks amazing. It gives a really nice lighting. It uses two regular E26 light bulb bases, which I think it's nice because it makes it easier to get the perfect light bulbs that you want. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.